Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this animation in After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we are in After Effects, and first I am creating a new composition. Give it a name and click OK. Then I select the text tool to write our text in our composition. After that, I align the text. Then I change its position like this, so it will sit at the bottom of the composition like this. Then I deselect everything, and then I select the pen tool. Before doing anything, I simply turn off the fill option. And then I draw a straight line like this. I rename this layer. Then I deselect everything, and then I select the ellipse tool. Also, I turn on the fill option. I expand the view, create a perfect small circle over here like this. Then I rename this layer as light bulb or something. After that, I parent this layer to the rope layer, and then I press Y on the keyboard to switch to the pan behind tool, and then I change the anchor point position of this line like this. So if I rotate this layer, you can see both shapes rotate together. Then I rotate this rope like this and add a keyframe on the rotation property. Then scrub the timeline and again change the rotation in the negative direction like this, and I repeat this process a couple of times to create a pendulum motion. Now you can see how we are moving in the composition. And then I adjust the keyframe positions manually like this. Just keep in mind that the starting keyframes are closer to each other, and as you go further, the distance between two keyframes increases, like I set up the keyframes in our timeline. That gives our shapes a natural pendulum movement. After that, I select all the keyframes and easy ease them. It will change the motion very smoothly. Then you can adjust the keyframes if needed, as I am doing, to get a perfect motion. And when you are satisfied with your animation, you can move forward. Now I select the light layer, and I search an effect called glow, and add it to this layer. Then I add another effect called fill, and add it to this layer too. Then I change the color to match the text color, and then I duplicate the glow effect and change the glow radius to something around 200, so it will look like it's glowing. You can change these settings as per your requirements. After that, I duplicate the light bulb layer and rename this layer as text glow and place it above the light layer. Then I select the text layer and change its track matte to text glow. Then I open the scale property of the text glow layer and increase the size like this. Also, I duplicate the glow effect one more time and increase the glow radius to illuminate our text. And if I play the preview, you can see how it looks. It's already looking very good and beautiful, but if you want to add depth in this scene, you can add an adjustment layer, then search a noise effect and add it to this layer. And then, if I increase the noise amount, you can see a cool textured effect applied to our scene. Then I place it below the light bulb layer. Now I add a solid layer in this timeline and place it below all the layers. It's already looking very beautiful, but if you want to add professionalism to this animation, let me show how to enhance it. First, I scrub the timeline. Then I open the keyframes of the rope layer And then I search Path Properties and add a keyframe. Then I add one more vertex using the pen tool on the rope line. Then I scrub the timeline once again and add another keyframe. And at this point, I change the line shape like this, so it looks like a real rope bends when the circle is moving. Just drag the timeline and change the line path like I am doing. When you're done, here is the final look. Then you can select all the keyframes and easy ease them to get a smoother look. Let's see the final preview. So that's how you can create a light bulb concept in After Effects very easily. That's it for now. See you in the next video.